Singing this love song for you, it's straight from my heart.
Hi guys, I'm back with another wig review. This wig is from My First Wig. It's a lovely black with coffee brown or caramel brown highlights. The wig is a 13x6 frontal with 3 combs within the perimeter, a stretchy dome, an adjustable strap at the back to the nape, and a wig band. The size is 21.5 to 22.5. The texture is silky, but it has a dash of kinkiness, which is perfect for me. I'll be using the tinted spray to give that illusion as if it's my scalp, to match the color of my scalp and my face. I then would move on to using a wax stick, which would kind of lay the flyaways, and then I'll use the flat iron to flatten the front, the sides, the middle part, and the top part. Next is the heat protection spray. It's oil-based, followed by the oil sheen. This wig will last for 12 to 15 months. It comes in 10, 12, and 14 inches in length. Guys, this wig is like a top-notch wig. The quality is really nice and it's movable. It's not fake looking and stiff. It has a realistic look, you know. So guys, as you can see, I'm enjoying the wig. I like it. It looks beautiful on me already, and that's why I'm smiling.
In the night we roam on the streets alone, searching for a place to call our very own.
So right here, I'm checking the measurement against my hair lining. You can see my wig cap. Underneath the wig cap, I have my headband, which is to protect my hair lining, because that's my problem area. I also use this face shield because what I find with these adhesive sprays, not the gels, the sprays, they leave this film of residue on your forehead. I use this to protect the rest of my face from this spray. This wig is so versatile. It's vibrant. It can be modest, classy, sophisticated, stylish, playful, anything you want it to be. That's how versatile this hair is.
You make everything worthwhile.
It is soft, functional, cost-effective, easy to install, easy to wear, easy to care for.
Everything feels right. You're my shining star, my guiding light. I'm singing this.
So guys, you see how I'm trying to really get that hair laid in the right position? Yeah. Try to get it really precise. Like, you have to cut it just above the ear to sit behind the ear, right? Put it in a way where you can stretch the lace a little. Just kind of stretch it really nicely across your face, and that way it will make the wig pull your face, hence give you a younger look. Yeah, that's the secret right there. I just dropped. Yes, you know. I find it's better to cut my wig before I put it on my head though. It's just safer and it comes out better.
In the night we roam on the streets alone, searching for a place to call our very.
So right here I added some makeup to make the lace more matching to my skin, because right here it's kind of white. you know, you can see the lace. So I did use some more to blend it in with my skin. Guys, for the next video I'm gonna wet curl it and let's see the results, because it's that versatile. And you know what I noticed about lace wigs in general? You have to make sure you put enough adhesive in the corners. You see where I'm holding there? You have to put extra right in there. Yes, and if you have sideburns, anything that's in the way, you may have to, I don't know, make it flat or get rid of it. So right here I've completed the installation and I'm just kind of refining things, smoothing things out, dabbing a little bit of the adhesive for the areas that would need a little bit more. Next I'm trying to do some baby hair, or trying to create some edges there, not necessarily baby hair, but a little bit of left out. And then I'll add some mousse followed by the headband.
Everything feels right. You're my shining star, my guiding light. I'm singing this love song for you.
So yes, we're moving along. So now I'm gonna be putting the headband to refine the look, you know, make it, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah. You know, I like to use a silk band that gives a really flat look rather than the headband. The headband will create a crimp on the middle there because you stretch it and then it comes back to its normal form, and it does the same to the lace, or it can do the same to the lace. So you have to be very careful with the headband versus the silk band. So guys, here is the finished product, and it's looking nice. Look at that. We've come to the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.